Good morning guys. Back with our next one, me one today. Right now I try to get some bait. Yeah, I try to get some bait, got some worm. Done the back of the river already. I just to get some bait now, I dig with the pick, 2 rod, and I bring my net, I don't know. I'm back now to get it today. I hook something good. It's supposed to come out. I got one of these secret bait where one bait, well not a secret bait, one bait where I've never tried before. I bring it today. So you want to see that in the video later on in the video. I got 2 cut bait. But one I never tried before, right? So I'm gonna see. Well, I have when I don't dig bait right now. Alright guys, we're gonna head down. Fine now, we're gonna head down river, we're on a spot where it's a walk, half a walk now. Nice spot but far, well not really far, but it take me a little while for it today. I don't get bait. Don't get a bait already today. So warm. I think that enough because I want to use the next bait then what I tell you about. So this spot where I dig up. And I'll papa sweat. Yeah guys. There's something in this grass. Which guys. Again, I'm gonna bite me, right? With this bird. Oh god. What is this? Oh, Phyllis. Only Phyllis. I don't know why you can't fly. Young one. Oh, yes. Poor little fella. Can't fly. He tries that or something, but can't fly. Not fight. I can't do the wood. This is the walk. Walk a while already. Yeah guys, I think what that's supposed to dirty right now. I think. The last time I see it, it told me to change color. So that don't affect nothing, but you know when it brown like that, the fishes we're going to catch is going to be like baka, tilapia. Yeah, baka and tilapia when water does like that. Catch some with the bottle. But plants will get. But I know some nice spot. I could catch some tilapia, but you have to go there in a boat. But I know where they found them today, so I bring the boots because I walk through this big grass, yeah. You know, so I need me rubber boots. Sound like SpongeBob the walk right now. And we made it to the spot. Ooh, finally. That was a long walk, but worth it. Yeah, guys, this is the spot I like coming and I want to catch some baka. In the 2 spot. In the there, right now early. Sun not come out. I know the sun not come out. Yeah. As always, like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'll be getting some new equipment. Hopefully get you guys some better videos, cleaner videos and stuff like that. Yeah. Oh, forget to say one thing. Good morning to all the fishermen in Belize. Good morning, fellas. I hope you know to get out there and take all this water. Oh, I see a lot of tuba in the float. Take this opportunity to find your bait and fish, you know. See what we could get out. I see some big tuba, guys. Make a rig up and try to put some tuba over there. I don't see any float. They eat something, but I want to stick there. No, a fig, they need right back there, so guys. And the fig gone too much in the corner. It's a fig though. It's a nice tuba to eat it just now. Right, the sun just come out. Got lines out. So now they rod them. Throw them out. Waiting game now. I tree over yonder, they drop a lot of fig. I know if I'm in the wrong close to so. And go to buy one pile up wrong there. Oh, getting a bite on this one. Yeah, then to buy that. They're right wrong there fig right now. They eat up their fig. You can leave pick here. Watch your line in the middle. I could actually see the fig, how the fig they get eat. Something touch a cut bait just now. Guys, I got out one of the rod have cut bait and the next one have earthworms. Eel. Yeah. Eel left and one on the next one there. So now the bait I talk about after this. I just rig up a fresh piece of cut bait and it seems to get your attention fast. I'm having an old piece just now, but I put on a fresh piece now. And the old piece now may get pick. So I figure you want to leave fresher piece. And sure enough again, attention me just now. Oh, I missed that. What I got now? Oh man. Getting a nice bite on the cut bait. It's a baka for sure. This is catfish. Oh boy, next rod they get bite too. What? I want the cut bait because normally the cut bait, the fish better. This one they bring in line, so good. Come on. Whoa. Something chased them behind just now. Still they bring in line. Gotcha. 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 Here we go. First catfish. First catfish. Whoa, with a run. Here we go. Here we go. The first catfish there. There you go. First catfish, get it. Alright. Skunk off of the boat. Here you go. One more look pan. Nicely one. Frying pan. Put on there for now. Get back out there. The cut bait, guys. That's how the cut bait look. That's how it look. Now fix it up a little bit. Another hit on the cut bait. Gotcha. Yep. 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 That's a catfish. Oh, he's ripping. Come here, buddy. Oh. Yeah. About the same size as the last one. Okay. Oh, a little bigger. Actually, a little bigger. Oh. Oh, calm down, buddy. See there? Next nice catfish. And guys, I just have to wait, and when they find it, they're gonna hit good. They're getting off. You know? Next nice new one. Get back out there. Something picked it up. Two baka so far, guys. I'm showing you two baka I guess so far. No, you don't guess so. Okay. Two baka so far. Which I wait for more bites. Think when I move from here, I'm going to spot to try get some tilapia. I think we'll go for some baka down here now, but I'll try one more spot for baka where they close by, and then find I'm gonna head out down do a little tilapia area. I'll get through some bush and get there. But yeah, right there the wait. Hooked up on the next catfish, guys. Oh, this one feels good. Ooh. Oh yes, this one is good. This is a good one. Ooh wee. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. That's a fat one there. That's a fat one there. Ready? That's a nice one right there. Get that off. Show you guys. Ready? Nice fat boy. Yeah, man. Rain to come, so you know I have to put on a little raincoat. Getting added to the string. I catch on two bar, I never show it, guys. I get on two bar as well. Oh, a nice one there, boy. Line boss. What the heck? Rain come down. Raining a lot. It's a rainy day. I love it though. I just throw my line and decide to roll it in. Have a back up on it already, what's it? That did not take long. I just throw it and I'm going to decide to throw it down river better. And back out there, like just chase it and grab it. Nicely back out again. I'll keep an eye on that one there too, guys, because that one, ow, that one got a cut bait, right? So if you see that rod over there go down, on and run and grab it, right? See if our next one be out there, man. That never take long. Catch our next one there, guys. Alright, stand up and cut bait again. And they grow now. So another one for the string. Nice one. Take him off. There. Fat back, 4 in right now with rain. It's just raining like crazy right now. So what I down there. Alright guys, now switch spot again. I'll show you what I got. Packet so far. You want nicely amount of fish here. Bakan. Ano ito ba? Nice baka rin. Yeah. Yes man. We're getting slowly. Now switch spot guys, slow down, yeah? I'm going somewhere else. Oh. Oh, what is that? Yeah. Tilapia that? Shucks. Look at this snook. What this snook is? Yeah, we're gonna get up in the line, the next line. Anyway, want to be a snook? Would you look at that? It's a first for me. Want to be a snook fire. Alright guys, make a put on there. This, at least it's a snook on the string with the other fishes. With the catfish them. Yeah. Keep an eye on the rod there because they got it out. Oh boy, hands done with it for now. So. Alright, here's the string, look. Nice, got fish on there too. See better so. Yeah. Yes man. Ooh, yes man. The rain just ease off a bit, so I'll show you how that line will get bite too. So you move up, get bite. Alright guys, then. I head up to the spot where I started. I head back there. So we're going up the side back because I hit it down dead. After I get more. I got way more chances up that I went up so. Big two body down there too. I just catch a tilapia. I never catch it on a video, but yeah. I had to hide from nearly bug academy they float. A lot of them this size fat little tilapia. If on the edge I just see catch it so far. I'm going back up to the spot there because evening time to come and then the time where the back the bigger back and like come out, so I'm going to try to get up the back and throw now. When I throw it back and we have to wait now. See a be a snook down there guys. I try get half a bite. Hi boy. Big be a snook too. Big copy they come around too. Alright guys, getting close to that time I have to leave. I'm gonna clean up them fish. This is what I get for the day. Nice baka, base snook, tilapia, and tuba. That's what I got for today. Nicely base snook, huh? Tilapia fat though. Yeah, nice catch. So I got them right there out right now. They two of them have on cut bait, waiting for the bite for the back on the back of them. But till then, I want to clean up the fish, because I need to get heading back right now. Alright, let's clean those. Alright guys, I made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That's all I get for today. Maybe next time you catch me on the boat next time. So hopefully we'll go far this next time. We'll go far, no? So thumbs up the video guys. Appreciate it a lot. Thanks for watching.